Christmas is a magical time. Families gather, children sing carols, we decorate our homes with twinkling lights, but we must never forget the true meaning of Christmas. It is not about presents or Santa Claus. Christmas is about Jesus. God sent his son Jesus to be born on Christmas Day. This is the greatest gift of all. Jesus came to save us. He came to show us love and forgiveness. We celebrate his birth at Christmas. Christmas is a time for joy and hope. We remember God's love for us. We share this love with others. Let's keep Christ at the center of our Christmas celebrations. Many families enjoy the tradition of Santa Claus, but as Christians we must be careful. We should ask ourselves if Santa Claus distracts from Jesus. Does Santa take away from the true meaning of Christmas? Telling children about Santa Claus can create confusion. We are teaching them to believe in a fictional character. This can make it harder for them to understand the truth about Jesus. We want our children to trust us. We want them to know that we tell the truth. When we tell them about Santa Claus, we are not being completely honest. This can damage the trust we have built with our children. Honesty is important. It is one of God's commandments. We should always strive to be truthful in all that we do. This includes how we celebrate Christmas. Instead of focusing on Santa Claus, let's tell our children about the real meaning of Christmas. Let's share the story of Jesus' birth. Let's teach them about God's love for us. When we are honest with our children, we teach them valuable lessons. We teach them about integrity. We teach them to value truth. Let's make honesty a priority in our families, especially during Christmas. Christmas is a time for celebration. Let's celebrate Jesus. Let's make him the focus of our holiday. We can do this in many ways. Read the Christmas story together as a family. Sing Christmas carols about Jesus. Attend a Christmas Eve service. Focus on giving to others, just as Jesus taught us. When we center our Christmas celebrations around Jesus, we experience the true joy of the season. We are filled with gratitude for God's gift to us. We are reminded of the true meaning of Christmas: love, hope, and salvation through Jesus Christ.